Salut! Lume. Și hai să trecem la Five Nights at Freddy's 2. Pentru că îmi place foarte mult să joc acest joc. Îl voi juca. Așa că grand reopening. Vintage Pizzeria giving new life. Come back to Power Face of New Freddy's. La la la. Fuck. Așa. Fungi. Dacă vrei să scapi de chestia asta, îți dai multe flash-uri.
Now, I want you to forget anything you may have heard about the old location. Some people still have a somewhat negative impression of the company. That old restaurant was kind of...
Nu știu jocul ăsta pe de rost, așa că...
I want to reassure you, Fazbear Entertainment is committed to family fun and above all, safety. They've spent a small fortune on these new animatronics. Facial recognition, advanced mobility. They even let them walk around during the day.
Parcă pe calculator.
Now that being said, no new systems without its kink. You're only the second guard to work at that location. The first guy finished his week but complained about conditions. We switched him over to day shift. So, hey, look, right? Mainly he expressed concern that certain characters seem to move around at night and even attempted to get into his office. Now, from what we know, that should be impossible. That restaurant should be the safest place on Earth. So, while engineers don't really have an explanation for this, one theory is that the robots were never given a proper night mode. So, when it gets quiet, they think they're in the wrong room. So, then they go try to find where the people are, and in this case, that's your office. So, our temporary...
Plicisitor. Ventilatorul.
Every once in a while, switch over to the prior counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics, but it does affect one of them. And as for the rest of them, we have...
Așa, uite.
There may be a minor glitch in the system, something about robots being endoskeleton without top
A început.
So hey, we've given you an empty Freddy Fazbear head. Problem solved. You can put it on any time and leave it on for as long as you want. Eventually, anything that wandered in will wander back out. Something else worth mentioning is kind of the quirky modern design of the building. You may have noticed there are no doors for you to close. But hey, you have light, and even though your flashlight can run out of power, the building cannot. So don't worry about the place going dark. Well, I think that's it. You do think over. Check the lights, put on the Freddy head if you need to. Keep the music box wound up. Peace again. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Ce plictisitor. Înainte să fiu pe YouTube, aveam noaptea 6, bă. Și să știți, abonații mei, mi-a plăcut foarte mult.
Am închis pentru azi, nu mai vând hot dog, mai ales ție, Garfield.
bani a plecat. Salută, Cica. Așa, bun.
Ei bine, cum arată puiul de bufniță, John?
Dacă ți-aș spune, nu mai crede deloc.
Aici e copacul nostru.
Plăcea. Așa-s dimineața. Yeah! Yeah! Am reușit. Sper tare. Așa, bun. Așa, bun. Sper că v-a plăcut acest episod. Nu uitați să lăsați un like la acest episod de Panița Freddy's 2 și la data viitoare. Pa, pa!